Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 5, consists of me, Annisa Mutiah, and my partners. They are Muhammad Gandi Pramudya and Rio Rizki Ramadhan. Okay, in this occasion, we'd like to talk to you about test item analysis. Okay, our presentation will be divided into 4 main topics. First, what is item analysis? The second, how to analyze test item, consists of 3 subtopics: item difficulty, item discrimination, and item distractors. Third, how can item analysis inform exam design? And the last, how can item analysis inform course content or the curriculum? Well, let's begin with the first material about what is test item analysis. Item analysis is a process of examining students' responses to each test item done to measure the quality of the test item. Jadi, item analysis atau analisis pertanyaan dalam tes adalah tindakan menganalisis tanggapan siswa terhadap butir-butir pertanyaan dalam tes dengan tujuan mengevaluasi tes atau ujian tersebut. Okay, according to Brown and Hudson 2002 and Mushel 2009 defined item analysis once as a process done based on certain procedures and steps to identify which test items are effective and have good quality to be used as a tool of assessment. Brown and Hudson 2002 explain item analysis is usually done for purpose of selecting which item will be remain on future revised and improve of the test. Jadi Brown and Hudson tahun 2002 mengatakan bahwa item analisis biasanya dilakukan untuk tujuan seleksi, di mana item yang akan direvisi dan item yang meningkatkan kualitas tes. Jadi we can conclude, kesimpulannya, analisis item test atau analisis butir soal atau butir pertanyaan dalam tes adalah tindakan mengevaluasi kualitas butir soal, memilih mana soal yang terbaik dan soal yang lemah, lalu memperbaikinya untuk meningkatkan mutu atau kualitas tes tersebut di masa depan. Next, how to analyze test item. So, how to analyze test item? Item analysis brings to light test quality in the following ways. First, item difficulty. Okay, item difficulty is the exam question or item too easy or too hard. Jadi dalam item difficulty ini, apakah tes tersebut atau butir soal tersebut terlalu sulit atau terlalu mudah? Oke, dapat kita lihat dalam contoh. Ada butir soal nomor 2. Akan saya bacakan soalnya. Nisa. Hi, I'm Nisa. Rini. Hello, I'm Rini. This is Rudy. Rudy. Hi, nice to meet you, Nisa. Nisa, bla 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 bla. Oke. Multiple choice-nya: A, see you. B, goodbye. C, nice to meet you too. D, how do you do? And E, pardon me. Nah, jadi if in class there are 30 students and 28 students answer correctly, it indicates item is easy. Jika dalam kelas terdapat 30 siswa dan 28 siswa menjawab butir soal nomor 2 ini dengan benar, itu menandakan bahwa item atau butir soal nomor 2 ini diindikasikan sebagai item soal yang mudah. Lalu sebaliknya, jika dalam kelas terdapat 30 siswa lalu butir soal nomor 2 ini hanya 2 siswa atau bahkan sama sekali tidak ada yang menjawab benar, bisa diindikasikan bahwa butir soal tersebut terlalu sulit. Okay, the next explanation will be presented by the second presenters. For second presenter, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Gandi Pramudya. I will continue the explanation about how to analyze test item. Item discrimination. Does the exam question discriminate between students who understand the material and those who do not? Exam questions solve such of the varying degrees of the knowledge students have on the material. Reflected by the percentage correct on exam question, desirable discrimination can be shown by comparing the correct answer to the total test score of students. Those students who score high overall have the higher rate of the correct answer on the item than those who score low overall. If you separate top score from the bottom score, which group is getting which answer correct? As you can see, the question is, I hope that I am as concerned as she is when I am her age. The word in the italic type has the same meaning with. The answer is A, as happy as. Cause it reveals that the answer key A, as happy as, is the not close synonym as the content as. The closest synonym is as satisfies as. Therefore, the answer key A must be changed. This question cannot measure between students who understand and do not understand the material. Item distractor. From the multiple choice exam, distractor play a significant role. Do exam question effectively distract test taker from the correct answer. For example, if a multiple choice question has a 4 possible answers, are 2 of the answers obviously incorrect? Therapy rendering the question with a 50% chance of the correct response. When the distractors are ineffective and obviously incorrect, as opposed to being more discussion, then they become ineffective in assessing students' knowledge. An effective distractor will attract test taker with a lower overall score than those with a higher overall score. As you can see, the question, Nisa. Hi, I am Nisa. Rini. Hello, I am Rini. This is Rudy. And Rudy. Hi, nice to meet you, Nisa. And the question and the answer is C. Nice to meet you too. Item 2, dysfunctional distractor. Option B, D, and E, which mean that they must be changed or revised. Item analyze entails noting the pattern of students' error. The various questions in all the ways stated above. This analysis can be provide distinct feedback on exam efficiency and support exam design.
Next is how can item analysis inform exam design? So shoring up student learning can be enacted through feedback, but also exam design. The data from item analysis can drive the way in which you design future tests. As noted previously, If student knowledge assessment is the bridge between teaching and learning, then exams ought to measure the student learning gap as accurately as possible. Item analysis should bring to light both questions and answers as you revise or omit items from your test. There is 3 points you need to pay attention on this. The first is the item difficulty level appropriate? The second, does the item discriminate appropriately? And the third is, are the distractors effective? In doing so, item analysis can increase the efficiency of your exams by testing. And knowing exactly what it is students know and what they don't know helps both student learning and instructors' efficiency. And so, how can item analysis inform course content or the curriculum? Not only can item analysis drive exam design, but it can also inform course content and curriculum. When it comes to item difficulty, it's important to note whether errors indicate a misunderstanding of the question or of the concept the item addresses. When a large number of students answer an item incorrectly, it's notable. It may be a matter of fine-tuning a question for clarity. It's the wording of the question confusing? Are the answers clear? Or it could be that the material may have to be reviewed in class, possibly with a different learning approach. Item distractor analysis is also helpful in that it can help identify misunderstandings students have about the material. If the majority, if the students selected the same incorrect multiple choice answer, then that provides insight into student learning needs and opportunities.
Okay, thank you for presenters. So the conclusion from our material, item analysis has proven effective in effort of testing and improving the quality of multiple choice items. By conducting item analysis, the quality of the stems, the answer keys, and also distractors can be tested, which in turn may assist to prepare better tests in future to make sure that the assessment reach its true goals. Jadi dapat kita simpulkan bahwa analisis item atau analisis butir soal terbukti efektif dalam upaya menguji meningkatkan kualitas soal pilihan ganda. Dengan melakukan analisis pertanyaan atau analisis item, kunci jawaban dan juga distractors dapat membantu untuk mempersiapkan tes yang lebih baik di masa depan untuk mencapai tujuan dari tes yang sebenarnya. Okay, that's all about our presentation. Thank you for your nice attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.